So this is the jet, the main jet. And we're gonna take this little bitty wire and we're gonna run it through. And when we put this little wire through, see how it goes in and out like that? That's a good way for us to clean the jet.
So this is all the engine parts. And what there was that?
Yeah, that's the carburetor.
Oh.
Yep. This here is the carburetor.
Huh.
Yep.
So what's going?
Well, we're gonna put this carburetor back in the Honda 50, AKA the big bore.
What do you mean by here?
This one, the little motorcycle.
Yeah. And it's actually only for that. Okay, so I don't help anymore. So bye-bye.
All right, push the red button.